Hi guys, my name is Urwa. Today I'm going to tell this video about the thread of this cover. So we're going to be learning about the Qaida. So let's get started. I hope you're ready.
Come here.
So let's go to the first letter, and our first letter is Alif. So if you want to, you can recite it with me or listen to me. Alif, Alif, Alif. Now our next letter is Ba. And this Ba, sometimes you can stretch the Ba for 1 second if it has a line on top of it. Like this. Ba, Ba, Ba. And then the same with Pa. And you can stretch it for 1 second only. Or say it normally. If you want to, you can say it with me. Da, 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 da. And then our next letter is, this is a very hard letter, I should tell you. This letter is called a Tha. You cannot make the sound of the, that is wrong. You should pronounce it like this. Tha, Tha, Tha. And also you can stretch this 1 time, like Tha. And then our next letter is G, G, G. This letter you can stretch for 5 seconds. Okay, now our next letter is Ha. 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 And then our next letter is Ka. 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 And if you can stretch it for 1 time with the Ha. And then it's the Dal, Dal, Dal. And then this letter is Dal. And then that one is Zal, 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 Zal. Just like the Dal, but a bit like the same thing. But these both are soft. And then this one is Ra, Ra, Ra. And if it's out of Alif, then you can stretch it. And then this one is a bit hard. So get your teeth together like this, and then put your tongue at the top like this. Za, za, za. Then our next letter is Sin, Sin, Sin. This one is Sin, and then this one is Sheen, Sheen. And if you make the sound first, it really helps. And then the one is Sod, Sod, Dod, Dod, Da, Da, Za, Za. Just like that. Za. This one is Za. And then this one is Ain, 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 Ain. And then this one is Fa, 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 Fa. Then this one has an Alif, so you could stretch it like Fa, Fa. And then this one is Qaf, Qaf, Qaf. Gas. This one's Kaf. Then this one is, you can remember this letter is, it has a curly thing, so it's like Lam, Lam. Put your tongue on top of your teeth like this. Lamb. And then this one is Meme, Meme. Put your both lips together and say Meme, 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 Meme. Noon. Noon. This one is like noon. Noon. Wow. 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 So this one like wow. I love this picture. Wow. This one is ha ha ha. This one like ha ha this is like you can remember this one for like an elephant. It's like ha, and then this one ha, cold voice, and this is like an elephant voice. Ha, ha, and this one Hamza, ha, Hamza, Hamza, like this. Ha, it's like Hamza, and then this one Hamza, and then this ya, and then this one is the same thing as ya. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe and ring the bell button. Bye.